5:41 now. Weather on the ones with Paul Cayano. It's already uncomfortable when I came in at 1 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, that's that humidity. The temperature comes down, but the moisture content in the air just holds, and then all of a sudden it just gets even more stuffy. So it's warm.
Sticky, stuffy,
yeah,
icky.
and humid, sweltering, right?
What other words can we come up with?
Did you say steamy?
I did.
I know that's one
Not
of your
yet.
favorite ones.
Yeah, you like sultry.
Oh, you were sultry. I thought we were saving that for the 6 o'clock hour. All right. We'll use sultry. So what happens in August is that the water warms up here in the middle of the Atlantic, and we talked about this yesterday. And it warms up so much that these waves that come off the west coast of Africa, that's right here, and past the Cape Verde Islands, which is here, start to form these tropical waves. Now, with the El Nino forecast to be so strong, and it's already stronger than usual, that produces wind shear in the Atlantic, and it actually holds down chances for tropical cyclones or hurricanes. But this one is pretty formidable here out in the middle of the Atlantic now. We've been watching it for a few days since it moved off the coast of Africa, and it looks like it's getting a little bit of a spin here. And I wouldn't be surprised if we're standing here 24 hours from now and we're talking about another tropical depression. Right now it's still a wave, and the wind is at 30, gusting to 40, westward motion at 13, and that's going to take it across the Atlantic toward the islands. There's Puerto Rico and further down Florida. So we have a lot of days to watch this, the better part of the next week or so before it even comes close to the islands. So we will do just that. But chances are we'll have a storm on our hands before long. In the meantime, locally, it's uncomfortable. Sabrina pointed that out, and we could put about 32 words here to describe the discomfort that we feel outside thanks to the humidity. And the first warning live Doppler is dry. So no showers or thunderstorms, just an overall stuffiness and mugginess out there with temperatures in the 60s, although it is 71 in Albany, 67 at Glens Falls, 63 over into Pittsfield. We're starting off a few degrees milder than this time yesterday, and yesterday we made it to 92. I think we'll be in that ballpark today, at least in the upper 80s, even in the hills to around 90 or 91 in the greater capital district before the day is out. Another muggy night tonight with temperatures barely dropping below 70 in most spots, and then another run at 90 tomorrow, although I think more places, especially across the higher terrain, will fall a degree or two short. So that big ridge of high pressure is holding on. We have a disturbance out here in the Ohio Valley heading our way that could ignite a couple of pop-up thunderstorms, especially across the Catskills, the Taconics, and Berkshires by late afternoon. Not everyone's going to get a thunderstorm today. The action will die out after sunset, and tomorrow it looks like 1 or 2 additional showers or thunderstorms, but again, these will be widely scattered to isolated. 90 today with the humidity. It'll feel hotter. We'll keep our eyes peeled for some showers and storms to fire. A muggy 70 again tonight, and tomorrow will be up to 89. So right there at about 90, it's not out of the question with an isolated storm late Thursday and Thursday night. Friday morning, that's the timing of the next front. Showers and thunderstorms more likely, and that'll lead to an eventual cool down. But by cool, I mean back to normal after all this heat.
This is probably it for us, right, with these hot temperatures?
We've said this before and gotten burned in September, so we won't write off summer yet, but as obviously we get deeper into August, the chances are that this could be the last 90.
All right. Thank you, Paul.
Okay.
In your